two similar springs P and Q have spring constant Kp and Kq such that Kp is greater than Kq, they are stretched first by the same amount. Case first, case A, then by the same force. Case B, the work done by the spring Wp and Wq are related as in case A and case B respectively. Case 1 या case A. दो स्प्रिंग्स हैं, spring P and other spring is Q. इसका स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट Kp एंड दिस इज Kq. Q स्प्रिंग, इसको स्ट्रेच किया जाता है सेम अमाउंट से. सपोज स्ट्रेच डिस्टेंस इज x. So Wp will be half Kp x square. सिमिलरली Q को भी स्ट्रेच किया जाता है x डिस्टेंस से. तो Wq will be half Kq x square. Wp upon Wq is equal to half Kp x square by half Kq x square Kp upon Kq. Kp is greater than Kq, hence Wp will be greater than Wq. Case second, case B, they are stretched with same force. P स्प्रिंग है, इसको एक फोर्स F से स्ट्रेच किया जाता है. F is force. Stretch length, this is stretch length, suppose this is x1, so Wp will be half Kp x1 square half Kp x1 will be F by Kp square half F square by Kp. Similarly, Wq will be half F square Kq. Wp upon Wq is equal to Kq by Kp. Kp is more than Kq, hence Wq will be greater than Wp. तो फर्स्ट केस में Wp more than Wq and second केस में Wp will be less than Wq. This C is correct option. Next, a block of mass 10 kg moving in x direction with a constant speed of 10 meter per second is subjected to retarding force F 0.1 x joule per meter during its travel from 20 meter to 30 meter. Its final kinetic energy will be. Suppose this is origin x axis, यहाँ पर 20, this is 30, 20 meter, 30 meter, and block is moving with 10 meter per second and its mass is 10 kg. इसकी इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी Ki will be equal to half mv square, half into 10 into 10 का स्क्वायर 500 जूल. जब ये यहाँ पर आएगी 20 मीटर पर, इस पर एक रिटार्डिंग फोर्स F will act. This force जो वर्क करेगी that will be negative in negative direction. Suppose इसने W वर्क किया तो यहाँ पर 30 के बाद इसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी फाइनल होगी K फाइनल will be K initial minus W. तो W is equal to F dx. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड कैलकुलेट करते हैं 20 to 30. 0.1 x dx 20 to 30. 0.1 x square by 2 20 to 30. 0.1 by 2 30 का स्क्वायर माइनस 20 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0.1 by 2 900 minus 400. 0.1 into 500 by 2 25 joule. तो Kf will be K initial minus W 500 joule minus 25 475 joule. The final kinetic energy 475 joule. A is correct option. Next, a particle of mass m is driven by a machine that delivers a constant power k watt. If the particle starts from rest, the force on the particle at time t is power P is equal to F into V. So K is equal to Fv, and F is mass into acceleration. Acceleration is dv by dt into v, or v dv is equal to k dt by m. बोथ साइड इंटीग्रेशन कर दें. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज गिवन एज 0, फाइनल सपोज v, टाइम t 0 to t, k by m dt. v square by 2 0 to v is equal to k by m t 0 to t. तो ये आ जाता है v स्क्वायर बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू k बाई m t, और v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू k बाई 2k बाई m t. रूट ले दें दोनों तरफ का, तो v विल बी 2k/m अंडर रूट इंटू t की पावर हाफ। बोथ साइड डिफ्रेंशिएशन करें तो एक्सेलरेशन a विल बी dv/dt 2k/m अंडर रूट इंटू हाफ t की पावर माइनस हाफ, और k/2m अंडर रूट इंटू t की पावर माइनस हाफ। Then force will be m into a, m into k/2m का अंडर रूट t की पावर माइनस हाफ, और km/2 अंडर रूट t की पावर माइनस हाफ। A is correct option. Next, two particle masses of m1 m2 move with initial velocities u1 and u2. On collision, one of the particle get excited to the higher level after absorbing energy epsilon. If final velocities of the particle be v1 and v2, then we must have initial kinetic energy ki of the system will be half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square, and k final half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square. Energy absorbed is equal to epsilon. So conservation of energy, ki must be equal to kf plus epsilon, or ki minus epsilon is equal to kf. So half mu1 square plus half m2 u2 square minus epsilon must be equal to half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square. C is correct option. Next, ball is thrown vertically downward from the height of 20 meter with an initial velocity v dot. It collides with the ground, loses 50% of its energy in collision, and rebounds the same height. The initial velocity is, take g is 10 meter per second square. This is ground, और एक बॉल जो है 10 मीटर हाइट से थ्रो की जाती है। v dot velocity से, and this height is h is equal to 20 meter. इसकी एनर्जी एट बॉटम पॉइंट सपोज इसको हम E1 से डिनोट करें, तो एनर्जी E1 will be kinetic energy mv2 square plus potential energy mgh, half m v dot square plus m into 10 into 20. 1 upon 2 mv dot square plus 200 m. This rebounds and losses energy 50%. Suppose यहाँ पर energy is kinetic energy and that is E2, and E2 is 50% of E1 or half of E1. So E2 is equal to half 1 by 2 mv dot square plus 200 m or 1 by 4 mv dot square plus 100 m. This goes up to height h, and h is 20 meter. The potential energy at highest point will be equal to E2. So E2 will be mgh or m into 10 into 20, 200 m. 1 by 4 m v dot square plus 100 m is equal to 200 m or 1 by 4 m v dot square is equal to 200 m minus 100 m is equal to 100 m. m से m क्रॉस हो गया. v dot square is 4 into 100, 400, and v dot is equal to under root 400, 20 meter per second. This B is correct option.